YouTube, what's good, man? This your boy Miami T, and I'm back with another one. Sitting up here at a mini car show at Bridges Auto and Repair in Jacksonville, Florida. This is actually where I've been getting some work done on my 1985 Chevy Caprice, my box Chevy, and so far I've been really impressed, man. They can't highly recommend it. So, man, with that being said, let's check on some of the work they have done. Obviously they do real good work, man. See, these are all customer cars, not just car show cars. These are customer cars. Man, this right here has got to be one of my all-time favorites. Look at this Hummer, man. Not the H2, not the H3, the original Hummer. Look at this Jeep. Oh, man. Yeah, I got itty bitty on the scene today. That's my blog and transportation. Somebody got an Acura up here.
What if I got the kid
She was like, you need to get a kid.
How's the car, better?
Yeah, I still gotta let you guys finish up some of the electricals in there, but it drove like a champ.
Yeah, I'm ordering party vehicles.